In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Drive for desktop quickly and safely using the easiest methods available. Whether your app updates automatically in the background or you need to reinstall the latest version manually, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Google Drive for desktop usually updates itself automatically. In most cases, you do not need to do anything at all. As long as your computer stays connected to the internet, Drive can download updates in the background and keep itself current. So before trying anything else, make sure you're online and give it a little time. Sometimes the update won't fully apply until you restart your PC, so if you haven't seen the newest version yet, a quick restart may be all it takes. If Google Drive still doesn't seem updated, the next option is to reinstall the latest version manually. This is a very reliable way to make sure you're running the newest release. On Windows, start by pressing Windows+I to open settings. From there, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Once you're in the list of installed programs, use the search bar and type Google Drive. Look for Google Drive for desktop in the results. When you find it, click the three dots next to the app. Then choose Uninstall and confirm that you want to remove it. Don't worry, this step is just removing the old version so you can replace it with the newest one. Once that's finished, go to the official Google Drive download page in your browser and download the latest version of Google Drive for desktop. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it again. When the installation finishes, sign in with your Google account. That's it. You'll now be using the latest version of Google Drive for desktop. If you want a quicker refresh before going through the full uninstall and reinstall process, you can also simply restart your computer. In some cases, updates install silently after a restart, and that's the fastest fix of all. So if Drive is acting a little out of date, frozen, or not showing the newest features, a reboot is always worth trying first. To recap, Google Drive for desktop usually updates itself automatically in the background, but if needed, you can uninstall it from Windows settings, download the newest installer from Google, reinstall it, and sign back in. And if you just want to give it a quick push, restarting your PC may be enough to complete the update. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.